In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Boost Post option on Facebook. If you've ever posted something on your Facebook page and noticed that little Boost Post button underneath, you might have wondered how to get rid of it, especially if you don't plan on running paid ads. While Facebook doesn't always give a direct remove button, there are a few practical adjustments you can make to reduce or effectively hide that option. And that's what we'll walk through together. First, open Facebook and make sure you're logged into the account that manages the page you're working on. It's important that you're using a page, not just a personal profile, because the Boost Post feature is tied to business and creator pages. Once you're logged in, go to your main news feed, then look for the Pages section, or use the search bar to find your page. Click on your page to open it. From your page, look for the Professional Dashboard or Settings area. Depending on the version of Facebook you're using, this might appear in the left-hand menu or under a More or Settings option at the top. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this section, because most of the tools that control things like ads and boosting live here. Next, navigate to the Ad Center or Ads section of your page. This is where Facebook groups tools related to advertising and promotions. Even if you've never run an ad before, the Boost Post option appears because your page is technically set up to be able to advertise. In the Ad Center, look for any active or ongoing promotions. If you have posts that are currently being boosted, pause or delete those promotions to make sure nothing is running in the background. This won't completely remove the Boost Post button from every post, but it ensures you're not unintentionally paying for reach. Now, go back to your page settings and look for options related to page type, categories, or professional mode. In some layouts, you can switch your page away from business or professional settings into a more basic setup, which can reduce how prominently boosting and ad options are shown. If you see any toggles for promotional tools or ad features, turn off what you don't need. Finally, refresh your page and check your existing posts. The Boost Post option may still appear in a smaller or less prominent way, but with these adjustments, you'll have minimized Facebook's push toward boosting and made your posting experience much cleaner and more focused on organic content.